हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं लीगल डिक्टेशन मैटर। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। Start. It may be mentioned that though the appellant had submitted a detailed written statement, he had not examined any witness in support of his case pleaded in the written statement. Stop. During the trial, the original accused number 2, that is Shrimati Radhabai, who was mother of the appellant, expired, and therefore the appellant and his sister Jayashri were tried by the learned sessions judge. Stop. On appreciation of the evidence adduced by the prosecution and certain documents brought on record by the appellant, the learned judge held that no case either against the appellant or his sister was made out by the prosecution under section 498A IPC. Stop. The learned judge thereafter proceeded to consider the question whether any case was made out against the appellant and his sister for commission of the offences punishable under sections 302 and 201 IPC. Stop. The learned judge noticed that the case against the appellant and his sister was solely based on circumstantial evidence and that no circumstances could be brought on record to suggest that the sister of the appellant was responsible for the death of the two deceased. Stop. However, the learned judge came to the conclusion that case against the appellant for commission of offences punishable under sections 302 and 201 IPC was proved beyond pale of doubt and sentenced him as noticed earlier. Stop. Feeling aggrieved, the appellant preferred appeal, which has been dismissed by the High Court, giving rise to the present appeal. Stop. This court has heard the learned counsel for the parties at length and considered the documents forming part of the appeal. Stop. The learned counsel for the appellant submitted that the appellant had left his house at about 1 p.m. to bring back a refrigerator which was given for repair in the shop belonging to PW 15, who has spoken about the presence of the appellant in his shop at the relevant time, and therefore the High Court erred in holding that the appellant had left his house at about 1 p.m. after committing murders of the deceased and had come back only after he was informed about the fire having taken place in his house. Stop. It was pointed out by the learned counsel for the appellant that the ASI PW 23 had recorded the statement of the appellant, on the basis of which the said ASI had registered a case as UDR 9/93 under section 174 of the Criminal Procedure Code regarding unnatural death of the two deceased, and therefore the whole case built up against the appellant on the basis of some suspicion shown by the Tehsildar should have been disbelieved by the High Court. Stop.